In this video we're going to look at some really useful phrases in Irish that you could use throughout the day. These could be called mini phrases, I suppose, because they're short and hopefully easy to remember. If you want to learn more phrases as well as words, grammar and lots more about the Irish language, then consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And please let me know in the comment section some of your favourite phrases in Irish as well, so other people can hopefully read them and learn from them. Our first phrase, Ball ó dhia ort. Ball ó dhia ort. This is a way of saying hello or good day. It literally translates into may God's prosperity be upon you, or it's just wishing you lots of prosperity basically. Ball ó dhia ort. Our next phrase then is a useful one if you're leaving somebody's company. It's the Irish for have a good day. BÍODH lá maith agat. BÍODH lá maith agat. So a very useful phrase that you can say. It means have a good day or have a nice day. BÍODH lá maith agat. I'd often start my videos with dialects, which means hello. But if it was morning, I could say MAIDIN va. That means good morning. MAIDIN va. Another handy and short and useful phrase. MAIDIN va, good morning. Our next phrase then is SEACHAIN. This means beware or watch out. And if you have a look at this sign here, SEACHAIN an trácht. Beware of the traffic, or watch out for the traffic. SEACHAIN an trácht. Sláinte is probably a phrase you may know. It's a famous enough phrase. In Irish it means cheers or good health. Sláinte, cheers or good health. The next phrase is another useful one if you're leaving somebody's company, or if somebody else is leaving your company, I should say. It's Sláinte Cheers. Sláinte Cheers. That means safe home. Sláinte Cheers. Our next phrase then is the Irish for that is fine or that is okay. Tá sé sin go breá. Tá sé sin go breá. That means that is fine. But you could also say it a slightly different way. Tá sé sin tau. Tá sé sin tau. Just an alternative way of saying that is fine. Our next phrase then is a compliment you could pay to somebody. Tá tú ag breathnú go háling. You are looking beautiful, or you are looking lovely. Tá tú ag breathnú go háling. Our next one then is the Irish for sleep well or sweet dreams. COLADH SÁMH. COLADH SÁMH. That means sleep well or sweet dreams. You could add in good night there as well, and then add in sweet dreams. So you could say this, Oíche bha agus COLADH SÁMH. Good night and sweet dreams. Oíche bha agus COLADH SÁMH. Another phrase then you could use is a response to thank you. So for example, if somebody says thank you, they might say Gurv Magat or Míle buíochas. That's thank you. And then you might say, in English you might say don't mention it, or you're welcome. So in Irish you could say Tá míle fáilte rót. That means you are very welcome. Tá míle fáilte rót. If you wanted to say don't mention it, just say this, Ná HABAIRÉ. Ná HABAIRÉ. That means don't mention it. So it's another way of replying to someone saying to you thank you. Gurv maith agat ná HABAIRÉ. Thank you, don't mention it. So I hope you enjoyed this video of short mini phrases in Irish that you could use throughout the day. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to let me know in the comment section some of your favourite phrases in Irish. I'll be back very soon. Slán go fóill.